Tired of messy meal prep that leaves your kitchen looking like a disaster zone? It's time to talk about clean eating and the power it holds for our overall health and well-being. The concept is simple yet powerful. Consume food in its most natural state, or as close to it as possible. It's about choosing fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains over processed foods and artificial ingredients. However, the journey to clean eating often encounters roadblocks. Many of us juggle a myriad of responsibilities, and the idea of spending hours in the kitchen preparing meals can be overwhelming. Lack of organization, time constraints, and the tedious task of cleaning up afterward can make the experience daunting. But what if there were strategies to simplify meal preparation and keep your kitchen clean? Imagine having a system in place that makes clean eating a breeze rather than a chore. Start by planning your meals for the week. Prioritize whole foods and incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins to ensure you get a balance of nutrients. Consider batch cooking. This strategy involves preparing large quantities of individual foods in order to save time during the week. You could cook a batch of brown rice, grill several chicken breasts, or roast a tray of vegetables. The key here is to do the majority of your cooking at once to reduce cleanup time. Another great way to keep your kitchen clean is through one-pot meals. These recipes require only one pot or pan, significantly reducing the number of dishes you have to wash. And lastly, invest in good quality, leak-proof containers for storing your prepped meals. This not only keeps your refrigerator organized, but also makes grabbing a meal on the go as simple as possible. To summarize, clean eating doesn't have to be complicated or messy. With a little planning, some smart strategies like batch cooking and one-pot meals, and the right tools, you can enjoy healthy, nutritious food without the hassle of a messy kitchen. Remember, the goal of clean eating is not just to look good, but to feel good. So, take the leap. Try these tips and see the difference they can make in your kitchen and your life. Share your success stories and any additional tips you may have in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Follow for more tips on making clean eating simple and enjoyable. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is just a few clean meals away.